Have you ever run into this situation when making a video for the first time? You open Rendora, ready to create, but then feel stuck with no idea where to start? Don't worry. Rendora offers multiple creation paths to fit different needs. Today, I'll show you the quick ways to start creating using templates. Method 1. After logging into Rendora, click AI Create in the top right corner of the homepage. On the left side, you'll see for creation options. Choose Start from Template. Here, you'll find a library of high-quality templates across a wide range of industries and use cases. You can use the filters to find the exact template you need. For example, if you're a high school teacher looking to make an online class video, you could select Education under Scenario. This video looks like a perfect fit. Simply click to preview the video. Just tap on Use Template, and you'll enter the editing page. Method 2. On the top bar, click Gallery. You'll see more high-quality templates that you can filter by scenario, just like before. Again, click Use this template to jump into editing. From here, just delete the original text and materials and replace them with your own. Then click 3D Generate in the top right corner to quickly create a similar video.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anna, and I am your English teacher from high school.
Of course, if you're not a fan of the default avatar or studio, you can always switch them by clicking on the avatar or studio library at the top of the screen. Easy, right? Give it a try and start creating.